Problem number 5 in problem set 5 asks us to decide which of these integers, if any, are divisible by the number 44. To solve that, we're going to split up 44 into two numbers that are easier to divide by, which is the numbers 11 and 4. You can do that because 11 times 4 equals 44. So if any of these numbers are divisible by both 11 and 4, they will be divisible by 44 and thus be an answer to the problem. To do that, we're going to use divisibility rules for number 4 and 11. To decide if a number is divisible by 4, you just look at the tens in the ones place, and you can do that because the 100s place. 100 is divisible by 4, so 200 will be divisible by 4, and so on. Any number you take in the hundreds, the thousands, 10,000s, and so on. So we just look at 38. Is 38 divisible by 4? And we know that it is not, so it cannot be divisible by 44. 40 is divisible by 4, 80 is divisible by 4, 44, and 96 are all divisible by 4. So we already know that this number cannot be divisible by 44, so it's already out of questioning. So now we have to decide if these numbers, if any, are divisible by 11, and if they are now, we will know that they're divisible by 44. To decide if a number is divisible by 11, we use the number 11 divisibility rule, and that says to add, subtract the number in that place. And then if that number you come up with at the end is divisible by 11, then the whole number itself is divisible by 11. So again, you add the even number places, and subtract the odd numbers, saying this is like the first place, and this is the third, and this would be the fifth. The third one there. So we add 4, subtract 0 is 4, add 0 is 4, subtract 4 is 0. 0 is divisible by 11. So we add 4, subtract 0, add 4 is 8, subtract 0 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 11, so 4040 is not divisible by 11. Thus it's not divisible by 44. Add 8, subtract 5 is 3, add 8 is 11, subtract 0 is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Add 2, subtract 2 is 0, add 9 is 9, subtract 4 is 5, add 4 is 9. 9 is not divisible by 11, so it's not divisible by 44. And lastly, add 5, subtract 4 is 1, add 2 is 3, subtract 9 is negative 6, add 6 is 0. 0 is divisible by 11. So there are 3 solutions out of these integers that are divisible by 44, and those are 4004, 8580, and 54,296.